Okay guys, we're gonna go the IGTV route here because this one's gonna be a little bit longer, but hopefully not too long. But I wanna show you how I use my food scale every day and what I use it for. Basically, my food scale is used to measure out the foods that I have, that it's more of a hassle to use traditional measuring cups. Or if I'm measuring a whole bunch of items and they all have to go into one bowl, then it's also easy to use it for that as well. But what I'm going to show you is just how I use it for a basic salad. Because to me, it's a pain in the butt to measure out lettuce, like to shove it into a measuring cup, to smush it all down, and then to put it in my bowl. And, you know, I totally could eyeball it, like take a handful of lettuce, but I'm kind of OCD with my food measuring because my eyes are bigger than my stomach, and actually they're not bigger than my stomach. I will literally eat large portions if I don't measure things out because I like to eat and I love food, and that's why at one point I was over 200 pounds. Not that I'm gonna gain weight if I eat extra lettuce though, but I don't know. I don't know why I'm justifying my need to measure things to you, but I am. So what I have done already is, you know, when I bought my food scale, which was a long time ago, 20 bucks at Target, I just have a very basic one. It's Taylor brand, super compact, super small, super lightweight. So I just shove this in a drawer. It's operated on a battery, like one of those little clock batteries, very easy to change when it runs out. And when I'm measuring things for the first time, what I do is I keep track of them. So like I have a list up on my refrigerator of some common items that I measure often, because then I start to memorize them. And so like now I know that a cup of spinach and arugula, this mix that I buy, I know that 1 cup of this weighs roughly 60 to 70 grams because I've already done the work of putting it in a measuring cup, putting it on my scale, and seeing how much it actually weighs. And so now all I need to do to make sure I get that portion is I turn my food scale on. I hope you can see this. Push the button. Super, super easy. I can put the bowl right on the scale, which is really nice. And then you can zero the scale out by just pushing the button. So right now, I don't know if you can see that, but my scale is reading 0 grams, and even though the bowl is on the scale. And then all I need to do is plop my spinach and arugula into the bowl until it reads 50, or sorry, 60 to 70 or however, and I usually put in a little bit extra too because I like to eat. And so there it is. See how OCD I am? It's right, 70 grams right there. So this is a good size salad for me, and if I'm feeling extra hungry, I'll, you know, double it or whatever. But and that's it. And then I can put my salad away. This turns off and goes back in my drawer right there. Tuck it in. Boom, done. So food scale is a very effective tool for portioning out your food. And then, like I said, I just keep a list of common foods that I often measure. Or especially when I'm juicing, I use it a lot when I use it every day when I'm juicing. I use my food scale every single day. I usually, for other foods, I'll use my measuring cups, but I've just found the food scale has just kind of become like one of my go-to kitchen tools, and I never really thought it would be that useful, but it is. So hopefully that's helpful for you. Would love to hear if you have a kitchen scale, if you use a kitchen scale, how do you use it? Feel free to comment, message me. I love to hear from you guys, and I hope this helped you. All right, take care.